Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and between stress and allergies, I could use all the support that I can get. That's why I've really been enjoying taking this royal jelly bee pollen from You. I take 2 in the morning before I start my day, and I really have noticed the difference in my energy levels on the days that I take it and on the days that I don't. They're really easy to take also. They're small, thin tablets and don't have much of a taste at all. They have a scent of like honey molasses, and I really like that they don't have an aftertaste and they don't repeat on me, unlike some other supplements I've taken in the past. It's cold and flu season, and I haven't gotten sick yet, so I'm gonna stick with my regimen. I think it's really helping me. So if you need some support, check out this royal jelly bee pollen from You, and that's my point of view.